Okay, welcome to TechiesReign Academy. Today we're going to be talking about HTML styles and we're talking about CSS. Okay, in the last class or in the last video, we spoke about the inline CSS. So in this video, I'm talking about the internal CSS. So this internal CSS goes into your style, okay, and your style will be inside your head. Okay, so let's go and particularize that. Let's see what we have here. You see that the style is inside the head tag. Okay, good. So we're going to particularize that on our VS Code. So inside our body, we are going to open a p tag. Okay, now I want to say this is an example. Okay, so I'm going to save that and I'm going to come to our browser. I'm going to say this is an example. Okay, so if you want to style this, instead of using the inline CSS that comes with our style in the opening tag, we'll just come to our head tag. Okay, we just open a style tag. Okay, so then we want to work on our p. So I want to say p, and we're going to open our curly bracket and we'll say color is red. Okay, so we'll save that and we'll come to our browser, see that the color has changed to red. Okay, good. If you decide to say font size is 50px or is 100px, okay, it's 100px, and we'll save it. Then we come to our browser, it is big. Okay, so rather than using the inline CSS, we use the internal CSS, which goes into the body, into the head tag. Okay, inside our style and inside the head tag. So let's just add one more here. Let's put our h1. Okay, let's put our h1. So inside our h1, let's say this is also an example. Okay, this is an example. So let's save it. We'll come back to our browser. We'll see that this is also an example, is in black. Okay, black is the default color. So if we come inside our style, then we want to see our h1. Okay, then inside the curly bracket, we want to write color. Okay, is, let's say, green. Okay, so we have this, then we save it. By the time we come here, so that it is green already. Okay, so we try to change the font size. Okay, and say font size is let's say 150px, and we'll save it. Then we'll come back here so that it is big already. Can you see now? So do what you like, comment, follow, and share. In the next class, we'll talk about the external CSS. See you in the next video.